Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can make pattern line invisible in your phone OnePlus Nord. First of all, put lock screen and try to open with your pattern that you set. There is a line tracking while you draw your pattern. If you want to make it invisible, go to the settings of your phone and click on security and lock screen and click on this gear icon and turn off this button, first button, make pattern visible, so it is invisible now. Now put lock screen and try to open with your pattern. When you try your pattern, there will be no line tracking, see here. So in this way you can easily make it invisible for your phone OnePlus Nord. If you turn on that button, then it will be visible. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.